This is Text Platform Inform the Nation on Text Matters. Welcome to another episode. We continue on our conflict resolution mechanisms available to you as a taxpayer series, and we are on the last episode of that series. And this week we focus on the High Court and the Court of Appeal, because when you are not happy with the Board of Adjudicators ruling, you can appeal to the High Court and of course ultimately to the Court of Appeal. But here is the thing. The decision of the Board of Adjudicators can only be appealed to the High Court when you do not agree with with the law. That's interpretation of the law. It can only be an issue of matters of law interpretation and not if there is a dispute in facts. The difference simply means the facts is that you do not agree on what happened or what is the issue on the ground, while if it is a matter of law, you are simply interpreting it this way and the commissioner is interpreting it in a different way. So only if there is a dispute in interpretation, you can appeal to the High Court, and then when you are not happy at the High Court, you appeal to the Court of Appeal. And for VAT, currently there is an option for you to appeal straight to the High Court and skip the Board of Adjudicators. While for other taxes, because the other taxes, their administration, it's anchored on income tax, you have to pass through all these stages. So it is important to know what are the routes that you should take, or the path that you should take when it comes to conflict resolution, so that the High Court or the Court of Appeal cannot then say this famous line, "You came to the wrong address." You have to know that what are the steps that are available before you can go to the High Court, or what are the steps that are available before you can go to the Court of Appeal. That's why in the last episode I mentioned the issue of forcing the Commissioner General to respond, or even going to court to say they should respond within this time, or arguing at the Court of Law that they've taken so much time. It means now the 6 months they've taken not responding, it means they've decided or they've made up their mind that whatever they've said is the final thing, and then they don't have to respond, so that you can move through along the other stages. It might come costly to you, but you'll be doing the right things, and in fact it will minimize the costs that you incur if you have skipped some other stage to the next one. I hope that was insightful. Continue to follow the Text Platform. Remember, we are available across all your favorite podcast platforms: Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Samsung Podcast, YouTube, and the rest. Thank you and have a good day.